So guys, some people are DMing me, asking me how they want to start up the YouTube journey and the things they need, the equipment they need to start up YouTube channel. You know, when I started my YouTube channel, when I was starting, I don't have this tripod. You can see my camera. All this now, I don't have all these things before. All these things that you see me have now, I don't have it before. So when I was starting, I was doing reaction videos, and these are the equipment that you need to start up YouTube channel. If you want to grow and blow on YouTube, it's not all about your phone. It's not all about making videos. You have to spend. You have to invest in what that you want to use to eat. So I got this one is, this one is the mic. It's the mic. This one you plug it in your phone. Then this one you put it here. This is the main mic. You put it here. You can see. You put it here. Then this one you fix it here. You plug it in your phone. You see. Then you can hang your phone and be doing the video that you want to do. So this is one of the things that you need as a content creator that want to start up a YouTube channel. It's not easy. It's not a day job. So you can see this mic in Nigeria, you can get the one of 9,000, 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, 50,000 based on the amount and the quality that you need. But for this one, when I got it 14,500. But now the price is coming up down. You can get some quality of 10,000, 10,500. So you need this as a content creator that want to blow on YouTube, that want to start up a YouTube channel. You need this mic. You need it. So, but the video I'm recording, I'm not using mic. This is natural volume of the video. So I'm not using mic on this video. So you need this one. This is the mic that you need. And you need a tripod. Or this one is small tripod. If you cannot get this one you can get it from 10,000 below, 10,000 naira in Nigerian money. Let me say about $7 or $6. This one. So, but this one right here, you can get it like $15 or $14. This one that you can put your camera. You can see my camera is here. You can see this is the video I made. So starting as a content creator, or you want to be a YouTuber, and I also have this tripod I use to stand this phone, a small one for vlogging. So starting up as a content creator and a YouTuber, so you need some equipment. You need to invest. That's your starting point. You need to buy all these things. Just bring out like, let me say like 50,000 naira, or if it's too much you can bring out like 20,000 naira. At least don't buy this one yet, but buy mic. If you have your phone, buy mic. You can get mic of 10,000, 15,000 below. Then this one that I used to stand this phone is a small tripod. You can get it off 7,000 naira or 8,000 naira. You start off with something. And with your phone. So you can be videoing yourself. Like this one I used to stand this phone is a vlogging tripod, small tripod that you can use and vlog. So guys, and you can also use it and stand and go to live, whether you are doing TikTok live, YouTube live. So I bought all these things because I know where I'm going on this YouTube journey, and I want to share the experience as I go forward. I share my experience, how I grow, because without you guys, I wouldn't have been here that I am today, because I'm heading to 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's not easy, and the community, the family that I have built up here in this channel is so amazing and supportive. Thank you guys, and I love you guys, and I love how you guys support me. So this is how to start up a YouTube journey. This is how to start up a YouTube channel journey, that you know that in future you are building something for the future, and in future you will reap from what you have built. So guys, this is all I have to tell you, and the equipment you need to start up a YouTube channel as a beginner. As a beginner, you need this. Don't go and use only your phone. Sometimes you use a phone that you don't, the camera is not good, and you use it and the volume is not also good. When the voice is good but the video is not that clean, people will listen to what you are saying, the reasonable things you are saying, than the video they are watching. So that's one thing that you need to get. You need to get this microphone. You need to get any microphone, not this one. I'm not advertising for this microphone, because you will not say that I'm advertising their product. No, I don't even know them. But I got this microphone that has been helping me. But this video I'm doing, I'm not using any microphone. I just want to use my normal voice and do this video, then show you the microphone. So you need a microphone, you need a small tripod that you can keep and talk. If you are into teaching, you can stay in your house, keep your tripod, you talk. Do a lot of things on YouTube. So you start off somewhere. That's how to grow up on YouTube and how to build your momentum on YouTube. Start off somewhere. It doesn't just start overnight. It doesn't just blow overnight. You have to start off somewhere, and in the future you will see where it will help and where it will lead you. You will thank me later. So thank you guys, and peace and love. Take care of yourself. I love you guys. Peace and love.